Hello students, welcome to Your Education. I am Jitendra Tyagi and I am here again with you to share one important notification, that is for the post of junior engineers on diploma level as well as degree level. Okay, and that is from Tripura Public Service Commission. Okay, so now we can see the details. Tripura Public Service Commission is inviting applications and they have given the distribution of post also. This is the advertisement number 16/2022. This PDF you can find on the website of TPSC. Okay, Tripura Public Service Commission website में recruitment section में first number पे you can find this PDF, right? So degree junior engineer degree level in civil, mechanical, electrical. Okay, and similarly diploma level junior engineer civil, mechanical, electrical. Different vacancies in different categories and pay scale, everything is given here. Okay, so you have to go through this, and there is separate number of vacancies reserved for women candidate also. Okay, 33% reservation for women candidate is there, so that is very good opportunity for women candidates. Okay, आपको जॉब के लिए एक बहुत ही अच्छा ऑप्शन मिल रहा है, you should try it. Okay, now educational qualifications. So for junior engineer grade VA degree, you must have bachelor's degree, okay, BTech degree or BE degree in respective branch like civil, electrical or mechanical. And for diploma level junior engineer grade B4 grade B diploma is required. Okay, and age limit is from 18 years to 40 years. Okay, 40 years तक की age limit है. So, and there will be relaxation for different categories also in age. Now what is the selection procedure? So in selection procedure there are three stages: stage 1 preliminary exam, stage 2 main exam, stage 3 personality test or interview. Okay, now we can see that in preliminary exam there will be 100 marks MCQ type questions. Okay, 100 marks का पेपर रहेगा prelims का, ठीक है. And once you qualify this preliminary exam, you will go for written exam. Okay, these marks of the preliminary exam will not counted in the final selection. Okay, they will only allow you, they will make you eligible for appearing in the written exam, main exam, right? So now in main exam, this is of 500 marks. Okay, so cutoff is 40% for general category, 30% for reserved category candidates. Okay, you have to get 40% in aggregate out of and 30% in aggregate for reserved category, right? And then there will be interview cum personality test of 50 marks, right? The syllabus for preliminary exam they have given: English composition 10 marks, GK and current events 10 marks, and then engineering aptitude means your branch, from your branch, okay, 80 marks. So total 100 marks paper will be there in the preliminary exam. Okay, now for main exam compulsory is general studies, that is of 100 marks, 1 hour duration. This is compulsory. Okay, now optional: any two of the following papers in the appropriate branch of engineering. You can choose any two of the following papers. Okay, so 200 marks in each paper, 3 hours duration. Civil engineering paper 1 paper 2, mechanical engineering paper 1 paper 2, electrical engineering paper 1 paper 2. So आपको सिविल वालों को ये दो चूज करने हैं, मैकेनिकल को ये दो चूज करने हैं, and for electrical these two have to be chosen. Then there will be interview cum personality test, right? So this is the criteria. Now online application portal will be open from 26th of November to 26th of December. Okay, so you have to apply between these two dates. 26th December 5:30 PM is the last date to apply. Okay, so please apply before the due date. Okay, and this is the website www.tpsconline.in. okay, and application fee you can see is 350 and 200 for group C, and for other categories there is no fee, right? So these are the basic details, and now you can also go through this entire PDF. You can read it carefully and then apply, okay, after the 26th of November. Okay, so this is really a very good opportunity, and all students from whole country are eligible to apply. Okay, so they will ask for some documents, then that you can check, right? So now in the next video I will come again in front of you by taking some another recruitment notification. Okay, all the best.